This is the cutout of the envelope pattern. This is from craft paper, the scrapbooking paper. They come in 12 by 12 pack that you can buy at craft store like Michael. So it's paper thin. You can cut it with the copy paper setting, and it should cut fine. And look at this score line here. See here? See if you can. There's a score line there. Just fold along the lines like that. Fold it. When you are cutting the paper, you can put either this face on a mat or this face on a mat, and I like to put it this side. It doesn't matter really. See the lines? Just fold along that line. One more here. Okay, I folded all the score line. Okay, the envelope should look like this. So you would need to apply glue along here and along this side. So when you fold this up, it'll hold like that. And the flap here to close the envelope. And for this slit here is to hold this flap down. It's optional, so you can turn it off in the design space so that it doesn't cut out this piece. It's up to you. And then you can just use adhesive or something to stick to glue it together. Okay, now I'm gonna apply I'm gonna use tape runner and apply tape here and here. And flip it around. I'm gonna use this tape runner, and it's easy to know where to apply the tape runner. It's right here. Just follow along this piece. So it's different ends. This one has a curve here. Try to apply the tape as close to the edge as possible. Okay, see it's come out a little bit here. It's fine, just fold it back in. And then this side. See, along on this side. pull the extra on the edges back inside. So at this point, there's a tape on here and here. At this point, I just fold it over and it will stick. But what I like to do is that I use like a long wooden stick. You can use a ruler. So I just do this and plop it down like that. Like that. So it's perfectly straight. Okay, and put it in like that. Like that. The envelope size is exactly 5.25 by 7.25, so it fits the standard size greeting card that is 5 by 7. So you put it like that and close it, and you can tuck it in here. That's it. So that way when people open it, they don't have to rip the envelope. And this is good for personalizing your envelope, because you can pick a color that goes well with your greetings card color. For example, I also cut out these patterns so I can make different style envelope, and just cut, and that's it.